expected to increase to $4.479 trillion by the end of 2022. The online retail industry is booming, and with the right commerce mastery training, you can be on right path to success too. Embark on this pandemic-proof e-com business by acquiring our top-quality, superior private label rights training pack and have an unlimited flow of traffic at your fingertips, just waiting to be converted into sales. Watch this short video below. Time-sensitive opportunity. Limited copies. Grab it before your competitors do. Hurry up and click on the buy button before the prices go up. Normal price minus $197. But for you price is $17. Ecom Mastery Training. Private label rights included. The price goes up. This incredible Ecom Mastery Training comes jam-loaded with these amazing benefits. Done for you fully integrated sales funnel. HQ sales material and damp marketing kit. Start generating revenue today. Evergreen topic from a big niche. Drive in responsive leads. Here's how you can start making money with this product today. Top marketers know that people are running their dream business online by selling their training products and totally killing it. You also can start your own info business today by getting your hands on this complete package. Superior quality product. High quality sales material developed and written by professionals with up-to-date information. High in demand niche. Commerce growth statistics show a steady rise in global retail commerce sales by the year, with the total value rising from $1.34 trillion in 2014 to $2.84 trillion in 2018. This is expected to cross $4 trillion by 2020 and reach $4.88 trillion in 2021. Friendly setup process. Everything is done for you. Just download, edit to customize and sell. You are all set to encash. Even a newbie can easily set up the product to further sell it. No recurring expenses. Once you buy the product, you get the ownership. You pay the charges once for the package and get full rights to use, rebrand and resell it. High in demand niche. You can build a huge list of buyers, keep them excited for your messages, and get a higher return on your marketing investment with just a few changes. Your own info business. You save the exorbitant time and money spent in creating these products and building a business because we are providing you with an excellent quality ready-made product that can generate revenue for you. Hence, you can easily set up your own business. Just download this ready-to-go stuff, upload to your server and damp. Start selling. Both online and offline marketers can make a killing using this latest Commerce Mastery Training Pack. And all of this at incredibly low prices. Normal price minus $197. But for you price is $17. Ecom Mastery Training. The price goes up. It's an incredibly rewarding time for commerce business owners. Commerce sales currently account for 17.2% of all retail sales, with online shopping itself growing 13.7% year-on-year. There's really never been a better time to get online. Commerce is expanding in every direction and becoming a more integral part of the consumer experience worldwide. Reasons like convenience and cost savings are prompting people to adapt commerce, while factors like faster internet speeds and cheaper devices are facilitating this process. Once again, this trend offers opportunity for new entrepreneurs. A well-established commerce business is a great feat as it helps you build your brand a lot faster, broadens your marketplace exponentially, and allows you to see profit long before your local competitors. Creating a marketing strategy for commerce is therefore not just about how to get more sales, but also making the customer experience better, building brand awareness, and building a lasting relationship with your customers. Combine those stats together and it's plain to see, There's a lot of potential here. Commerce growth is expected to remain steady for the next few years, growing much faster than overall commerce, while the commerce economy is poised for significant growth. In the coming months and years, you can only expect to see results if you approach it in the right way. That means focusing on the critical tips for commerce success. So, if you are thinking about launching an e-commerce business, but don't know where to start, we are here to help and make it easy for you with our comprehensive training guides. You can tap into this incredible marketing potential by seeking our up-to-date, well-researched, comprehensive Commerce Mastery Training Pack. We've been following the updates closely and wanted to provide you with an easy-to-follow guide with latest strategies to help you make good income from your commerce business efforts. Having the right platform is crucial to the way companies streamline the way clients, customers, and employees interact. Put simply, a platform is the software that allows a business to perform complex functions both in the front and back end of its operations. In our training pack, we will cover the two most versatile and robust platforms to get you well equipped to compete in the market. Normal price -$197, but for you price is $17. Ecom Mastery Training. Internet Secrets has created a groundbreaking ecom training products that is jam-loaded with genuinely life-changing material and expert pointers and recommendations in this evergreen niche. Introducing Commerce Mastery Training Pack with PLR. Learn how to master world's most popular and result-proven commerce platforms and DAMP strategies to grow your commerce business and start making money. Resell the training pack and make unlimited profits. Get your copy now. Time-sensitive opportunity. Limited copies. Grab it before your competitors do. Hurry up and click on the buy button before the prices go up. Normal price -$197, but for you price is $17. Ecom Mastery Training. The price goes up. This training pack is useful to everyone. Doesn't matter whether you're just starting to venture into ecom business or you are already an intermediate or advanced ecom marketer. Following these best practices in the pack will help you increase conversions for your commerce store. You'll also be able to generate more leads and add additional sales revenue to your bottom line. How anyone can start an e-commerce business on popular and commonly known platforms like Shopify, Amazon, Alibaba, and eBay. Step-by-step guide for both newbies and experienced merchants to stand out from the rest of the competition and make a name for themselves in the world of online marketing. How anyone can start with dropshipping without buying any inventory and can still gain huge margins selling physical products online. How to set up an e-commerce site with WooCommerce. How to build your e-commerce empire with Shopify and generate up to 6 figures. How to generate traffic to your Shopify e-store, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, etc. using various traffic methods. Why should we start your commerce websites? Finding the right e-commerce niche that you can dominate. What are the best strategies to increase your overall e-commerce revenue? Successful commerce business stories to inspire. Exclusive bonuses. Complete a Z-System how to launch a powerful PLR biz, 260 plus Shopify themes, 18K t-shirt design and DAMP, super affiliate funnel builder, and much more. This really is well-researched and up-to-date content. Hurry up and click on the buy button before the prices go up. Normal price -$197, but for you price is $17. Ecom Mastery Training. The price goes up. Commerce Mastery Training Pack with PLR. Part 1. Commerce Blueprint, a step-by-step guide on how to start an e-commerce business. E-Commerce Blueprint is a 40-part PDF and DAMP video course on how anyone can start an e-commerce business on popular and commonly known platforms like Shopify, Amazon, Alibaba and eBay. The blueprint was created not only to end the struggles that most newbies face when it comes to building their online business, but also as a go-to-master guide for experienced e-commerce merchants to stand out from the rest of the competition and to finally make a name for themselves in the world of online marketing.